Presenting the 2004 Chevrolet Corvette. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include passenger vanity mirror, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, power passenger seat, rear-wheel drive, cargo shade, and adjustable steering wheel. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.